Hello students, in the previous video we are discussing about the number system. Now today in this video we are going to discuss the decimal number system. The decimal number system that we use in our day-to-day life is the decimal number system. Decimal number system has base 10 as it uses 10 digits value from 0 to 9. Decimal number system is a positional value system. All of you see here, positional value system. That is, the value of the digits depends upon its position. For example, let us consider the decimal number 3240 that has 0 at the unit position, 4 at the tens position, 2 at in the hundred position, and 3 in the thousand position. That is 0, 4, 2 and 3. Now its value can be written as follows: 3 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 plus 4 into 10 and 0 into 1. 3 into 10 to the power 3, that is 1000. 2 into 10 to the power 2, that is 100. 4 into 10 to the power 10, 10 to the power 1, that is 10, and 0 into 10 to the power 0. 10 to the power 0 becomes 1, and 3000 plus 200 plus 40 plus 0, which is equal to 3240. This is, all of you see, 3240. Here 0 is the least significant digit and 3 is the most significant digit. Now if we discuss the binary number system, in the binary number system, the number system having just two digits 0 and 1 is called the binary number system. It has the base as 2. The easiest way to carry instructions, all of you say signals, through electric signals, which is a two-state system, that is on and off. On is represented by 1 and off as 0. Each binary digit is also called a bit. Binary number system is also a positional value system where each digit has a value expressed in the powers of 2. All of you see here, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 1 and 2 to the power 0. It is very easy to design simple and accurate electronic circuits that operates only two voltage levels. For this reason, the binary number system only take up two levels, that is on and off. For this reason, almost every digital system uses the binary number system as the basic number system for its operations. Computer understands only the binary number system and uses this number system to represent the data. And the one more thing you have to know, that binary number system was invented by a German mathematician, Gottfried Leibniz. Now computer only understand the binary numbers and uses this number system to represent the data. Now the next topic in your syllabus is the conversion. Now in this part, the first conversion is decimal to binary conversion. All of you see this example here. 25, the given number is 25. So the first step is you have to divide the given number, that is 25, by 2. you got this 12 as a quotient and 1 as a remainder. Then divide this 12 by 2. Again you got 6, 0 as remainder. Then 6 is divided by 2, you got 3, 0 as third remainder. Then when you divide 3 by 2, you got 1 as fourth remainder, and 1 is divided by 2, then you got 0. At last you got 0, and because it does not divide it, so this one is the fifth remainder. So read these remainders by in the line from down to up, from bottom to top, that is 1 1 0 0 1. So the binary number is 1 1 0 0 1. This is the decimal number 25, whose binary conversion is 11001. This is the binary conversion of the decimal number 25. So always remember, remainders which are obtained at each step are written in reverse order, that is from bottom to top. The obtained number is the binary conversion of the given decimal number. In this, all of you see this 25 divided by 2, and on dividing all these quotients by 2, you get all these remainders from 11001. So this is about decimal to binary conversion. Now we are going to discuss binary to decimal conversion. Next conversion is binary to decimal conversion. In binary to decimal conversion, see this example. Multiply each number with 2 to the power of 0, starting from the very first digit from right, that is 1 2 to the power 0, then 0 2 to the power 1, 1 2 to the power 2, 0 2 to the power 3, 0 2 to the power 4, and 1 2 to the power 5. Then right here 1 into 2 to the power 0. Solve this. You got 32 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1, and on adding all these numbers you got 37. This 37 is the decimal conversion of this binary number, that is 100101. Multiply each binary number with the 2 to the power of 0 starting from the right, then increase the power of 2 by 1 for each multiplication. All of you see here 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 4 and 5, and so on. And on adding all these numbers to get the equivalent decimal number, that is 37. One more fact bit you always remember, that if any number has the power 0, that is, all of you see here 2 to the power 0, which is equal to 1. So any number which has the power 0, it is equal to 1. And one more fact bit always remember, that 4 bits equal to 1 nibble, 8 bits equal to 2 nibble, and also 8 bits equal to 1 byte. Always remember these facts. Next number system is the octal number system. Now in octal number system, it has the base 8 and represents 8 digits from 0 to 7. The base of the octal number system is 8. In this system, each digit is represented, has its value expressed in the powers of 8. All of you see this 8 from 8 to the power 5 to the 8 to the power 0. Next conversion is octal to decimal conversion. Octal to decimal conversion. In octal to decimal conversion, all of you see this number 71263. You have to convert this octal number to its decimal equivalent. So in first step, multiply each number by 8 to the power of 0, starting from the very first digit from the right. Always remember this point. Start it from the right. That is, here the right number is 3. Here the right number is 3. 8 to the power 0, 3 into 8 to the power 0, 6 into 8 to the power 1, 2 into 8 to the power 2, 1 into 8 to the power 3, 7 into 8 to the power 4. All of you see this. On adding 348, 128, 512 and 28,672, you got this number 29,363. That is 71263. That is the octal number. When converted to the decimal, it becomes 29363. So it is all about to octal to decimal conversion. Now next number system is the hexadecimal number system. As we have discussed it earlier in the previous video, hexadecimal number system has 16 digits which are represented as 0 to 9, and from 10 to 15 it represents the alphabetical numbers, that is A, B, C, D, E and F. The base of the hexadecimal number system is 16, and it has also the position value system with where each digit has its value expressed in the powers of 16. All of you see here 16 to the power 5 to the 16 to the power 0. Now hexadecimal to decimal conversion. It is very important from the exam point of view also. Hexadecimal to decimal conversion. Here there are 3 steps. First step is multiply each binary number by 16 to the powers of 0 starting from the right. See, in every conversion you have to start the multiplication from the right, and in step 2 increase the power of 16 by 1 for each multiplication, as you done in the previous conversions also. Add all the numbers so obtain to get the equivalent decimal number. All of you see this example. In this 4b 16, this is the hexadecimal number 4b. Here when you convert b, so b has a positional value 11, because b is at the right position, rightmost digit, so b has the positional value 11. So 11 multiplied by 16 to the power 0. 16 to the power 0, if any number has power 0 it becomes 1, so it is equal to the 11. And 4, after b come to the 4 into 16 to the power 1. From right it is 16 to the power 0 for b, and for 4 into 16 to the power 1, which is equal to 64. And when you add these 11 and 64, you got 75, which has the base 10. So this hexadecimal number 4b is converted to the decimal number system, which is equivalent to 75. This is all about the hexadecimal conversion to the hexadecimal to the decimal conversion. In the next video we are going to discuss about the binary arithmetic, that is the binary addition, binary subtraction and binary multiplication and binary division. Thanks for the watching, and